You know, Keaton, the thing I love most about him is he takes great care of Mackenzie. You know, he always has. And I appreciate that as a dad, you know, somebody takes care of your little girl.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. You look so fine that I really want to make you mine. Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah.
Open and borrow. Howdy.
What's wrong, Daddy? You can't get your wiener out of your pants? Huh?
I'm sauced.
Mackenzie will be on your fireplace, and I will run for more.
Yeah. What more could you ask?
For those of you that live in Iowa, you know, welcome. For those of you that don't, what in the hell are you doing in Iowa in the middle of the winter? But this is such a special place to our family, and, you know, I literally cannot believe I'm standing here.
There she goes, that's my girl.
The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete. In the 8th grade, she met Keaton. They were paired as lab partners, and Keaton insists that he knew they had good chemistry then. They officially became a couple at their high school graduation. It was clear early on they balance one another, and while each of them are strong individuals, together they are a force to be reckoned with.
Should I have my eyes closed yet? Oh my god. You look so good. So good. Did you write me a letter?
Did you write me a letter?
No.
Okay, good.
I can make one up on the spot though. Dearest Mackenzie.
Oh god.
So people often ask, how do two sisters within close age, 4 years apart, why do they get along so well? Why do they actually like each other? Most sisters don't. And it was because my parents always made it an extreme point to say at the end of the day, when all cards are down, when we're gone, you only have each other. And you are a constant in a world of variables.
Everyone look out. What we did.
Be the best wife because you're the best at everything. According to you.
So Mackenzie has got more talent and brains in her little finger than I have in my whole body.
There is no obstacle she cannot overcome.
That's Mackenzie.
And then there's Keaton.
Keaton has always been the more adventurous type. He's always been the go-getter. He's always been the one going after what he wants. And Mackenzie has been at the forefront of that for the longest time.
It only takes one these days.
I was gonna say, once you hit a certain age, it takes one.
Dick, don't give me that face. At the end of it all, it's like I'm happy to have a sister like Mackenzie because, like it has been said so many times, they complement each other so well in every single facet. I love that about you, about both of you. Mackenzie, love you. Keaton, tolerate you. Here's to y'all.
Boom, 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 boom.
Bring out the conga, bring out the bass, bring out the L. I got the chase, I got the gold. All of my necklace and a smile you can't erase.
Keaton, as you know, I'm a little bit of a warrior, and I haven't worried about Mackenzie since 2013 because I know that you have her, and you are a rock, and I love you. You've been my brother for so long now, it feels like this is just pomp and circumstance.
I mean, we would not be who we are without all of you that are in this room. I can look around and think of some instance, some story to tie us all together that makes us one big happy family. We just are so grateful that all of you are here to support us, to celebrate us. There's some of this, some of that, some of these.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting the whole thing in here now.
That's what she said.